Hello there, this is Rahel from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we will talk about the affiliate program of Trainline. So let me take you to the website, which is the trainline.com. And for the ones who don't know what is Trainline, Trainline is the world's leading independent rail and bus travel platform with over 96 million people using the platform every month. They sell official tickets for train and bus travel in 45 countries across Europe and Asia, including the UK, France, Italy, and Spain. So if you're in the mood of traveling somewhere, why not to come to the website and book yourself a trip? But that's not exactly why we're here. We are here to earn some money from Trendline. Can we earn money? Of course we can. We simply have to join the affiliate program and start promoting them to our website users, subscribers, followers. And if they make a purchase or if they make the sale on their website, if they buy any of the ticket, we will get commission. So let's talk about the affiliate program. For that, on the website, you can scroll down till the very bottom of the page to the footer section, and you have to click on affiliates and partners. When you do that, it will take you to this page. Over here, you would be able to see the information about the affiliate program, especially this part, which is Trainline affiliate program. It says what it's perfect for, what kind of products they are providing, and then other information that you can read through. And you would also be able to see the contact information at any given stage. If you want to reach out to the affiliate program team of Trainline, you can write an email to them at affiliates at the rate thetrainline.com. That's always an option. The question is, how do you join the affiliate program of Trendline? For that, you have to come to the website partnerwise.com. Now, what is Partnerwise and why Partnerwise? So Partnerwise is one of the top digital marketing companies out there, and they're also one of the top affiliate marketing company. So what's the purpose of the affiliate marketing company? So to join the affiliate program of brands, we have to join the respective affiliate network as well. In our case, to join the affiliate program of Trainline, we have to join the affiliate network of Partnerwise as an affiliate. And when we join them, we would be able to apply to the affiliate program of Trendline, get approval, and do the further stuff. Now, how do you create an affiliate account with Partnerwise? For that, you can hover over partners. You can click on affiliates, which should take you to this page. You can read through it if you like. Otherwise, you can simply click on join Partnerwise and go through with the registration process if you don't have an account with them yet. And don't you worry, I know the registration could be tough. There could be plenty of things to keep in mind. So I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create an affiliate account with Partnerwise. You'll find the video link in the video description. Just follow the instructions from there and create yourself an Partnerwise affiliate account. Once you have an account, you can come to the website again, which is partnerwise.com. Hover over the avatar sign. You just have to click on it. When you do that, it will take you to the login screen. Over here, you can enter your username, password, just complete the captcha, click on login, then it will take you to affiliate dashboard. Now, this is a place where you would be able to interact with all the other brands, not just Trendline, but the other brands as well that you will be able to interact. But that's not why we are here. We are here to apply to the affiliate program of Trendline and start promoting them. For that, you can click on campaigns, which will take you to this page. Over here, you can click on join campaigns. And once you have clicked on join campaigns, you have to start typing here Trainline, but ensure you have clicked on join campaign first. When you do that, you would be able to see something like this. As you can see, I'm in join campaigns and I've searched for Trainline, and you would be able to see their affiliate program details. You can simply click on this hyperlink that says Trainline to learn about the affiliate program in depth. So as you can see here, there's some information available that you can read through. But to have even more information, on the right hand side, you have to click on this hyperlink again, which is Trainline, which should take you to their commission rates. As you can see on the left hand side, they are providing different commission rate for all different actions up to 20%. As you can see, for EU Railcard new customer, they are giving even 20% commission on the actual sale amount. So you can read through it and see, for what thing or what they are providing. So it's anywhere between 0 to 20% for each different action. So you can understand more about the commission rate by coming to this section. And if you look at the right hand side, again, you will see the contact email, the address, and all the other information. And then you can also see view terms and conditions. When you click on it, you would be able to see the terms and conditions that's available for Trainline for you. So you have to read it and you have to ensure that you follow it and you understand it well. So let's say you read it all and now you want to apply to the affiliate program of Trainline. How do you do that? just go back to the previous screen, and over here you have to select this because you want to apply to the affiliate program of this one. And then if you look at here, it says it's the name of my partner's affiliate account. So you will see your partner's affiliate account name here. You have to click on view terms and condition, read it, and then you have to check mark this. And then you have to click on join selected campaigns. So when you do that, your application to the Trainline affiliate program team would go. They will review your information. So when you would create an affiliate account with Partnerize, you would have given your online presence details, such as your websites and all. So all this information will be reviewed by the team of Trendline affiliate program. And if they see that you're a good fit for them, they will give you the approval. And they may take anywhere between 1 to 2 weeks of time. So once you get the approval, you would be able to find them in here within your campaigns and commissions. So you would be able to see them here and you can start promoting them. Now to promote them, can you just take any link from the website and start promoting them? No, that's not how it works. To promote them, you should be using unique links that are meant for you. And those are called tracking links. So once you have gotten the approval, which you will be notified by an email, of course, and you would be able to see them in here, you have to click on tracking, which should take you to this page. Over here, you would be able to see the brand here once you get the approval, which is Trainline. So you can use this section to create yourself tracking link. All right, you got the approval, you are creating tracking link. How can you promote Trendline? That's the question, isn't it? To promote them, you got many options. You could go with whatever way you like that is more suited to you, but still I'm going to cover a few. One is website. Doesn't matter what kind of website you got. You could probably just put an advertisement on any section of your website. Sometimes you go to the website, you see on the right side, left side, some advertisement. So that's one of the way you could promote Trainline. Just put a banner over there on your website, an image, kind of Trainline image. And if someone would click on it, they would actually be clicking on your tracking link like that. Another way is blog. So blog is a kind of website where you give words to your thought. You create blog posts and you post it on your blog for other people to find those articles and read it. So you could just talk about your journey to somewhere and probably just put a link of Trendline ticket booking over there. So if people would read it, they might want to experience the same, isn't it? And then they click on the link, and when they make the purchase, you'll be getting the commission out of it. And the third, and I like this the best, is a travel website. So let's say if you have a travel website, why would people come to your website? Is to learn about traveling, isn't it? What if you have the advertisements of Trendline on your travel website? Wouldn't they be interested to make the purchase on Trendline? To book traveling tickets and all that. Wouldn't that be the case? So that's why travel a website would be a motivational factor for those kind of users to book tickets from Trendline. So these are some of the options. Then how about social media? Can you promote Trainline on social media? Well, it wasn't clear in any of the given information by them. So if you are still interested in promoting them on social media like your Facebook, Instagram, and all those accounts, you might want to reach out to them at the contact information we talked about, and you may clarify it with them. And if they approve you, if they approve your social media account, then you should be fine to promote them there. So let's say you started promoting them, then where will you see all your performance, like all the sales that you brought to them and everything? So you would be able to see all of those things within analytics section. So you can click in here and just run all the reports and see the details. Then how about the payment of it? How would you receive the payment of all the commission that's being gathering out here? So Trainline would make the payment of those commission to Partnerize, and Partnerize will issue the payment to you. So you have to ensure your payment information is up to date on Partnerize. For that, you can click on payments, which will take you to this section. Over here, you have to click on payment settings. And when you do, on the right hand side, you have to click on add bank account. And over here, you can select track currency, paid currency, and country. And depending on the selection, you would be able to choose from PayPal or electronic funds transfer from here. It all depends on what you select in here. That's where you will get this option. So once you have selected either PayPal or electronic fund transfer, you can decide how would you like to receive it. Do you want to get the payment automatically? If that's the case, you can set it up to, let's say, on or to self bill on, and you can decide that you want to get 4 times in a month when the payment threshold exceeds 50. So what Partnerize will do, all the commission that's getting accumulated in your account, they will issue it once it has exceeded $50 or 50 pound, and to a maximum of 4 times in a month. So this is what you can select. But if you don't want automatic payment, and if you rather want to initiate a payment all the time, you can just select this off. And this way, whenever you want to have the payment, just come to your partner's account and initiate a payment accordingly. After selecting this, you can click on continue, which will take you to the next screen in here where you can give more information. All right, so once you have updated your details in here, the payment settings, you can just click on continue and the rest will be done. So this is how you find the affiliate program of Trendline. You apply to them, you get the approval, and after getting the approval, you can start promoting them. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and will help you in applying to the affiliate program of Trendline. If you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video on the affiliate program of any brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on it. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.